What's the first thing we do when we stop to set up for the day? Well, one of the first things you can do is put your shades down. And the buttons are right up here on the dash. There is a screen button that's the covering the windshield that comes down as a sunscreen. That'll come all the way down and stop on top of the dash. You also have the option of doing a privacy shade that will come down. These are both powered switches, 12 volts, so they'll work at any time. So I can also put my side shades down. I have a sunscreen again for the driver's side and the passenger side. You can stop anywhere you like. You don't have to put them all the way down. Or you could just put one down, either or. This makes a really nice private front exam room. You're not having to pull the curtains around. Curtains, they're hard to pull around. They get dirty. It's something that you have to fuss with all the time. These push button machine rollers are very easy to operate and reliable. It's the same kind of equipment. If you had a luxury home, you would have something like this covering your windows. This one does the passenger side window at the passenger seat as well. It's as simple as that.